Niger. Una won't choke me with Niger product. See am, I don't buy am. I make a review of one product that they delivered to me yesterday. Oh boy, after the review, my spirit tell me say no. If you can't do ogbono, do egusi. Meaning say you just dey occupy space for my kitchen, and I don't need am because the kitchen not kuku big. Nah, I don't get am. Niger. I don't buy am. Oh yeah, let's open it and do the unbossing and unbossable. But with the coming out alone, the way it was so heavy and heavyable, I know it will be something very good. Anyway, they say the blender, they do everything. If they blend bulldozer, you go carry motor saw, use and saw wood, fall on for ground. I say make una no vex. Now because of plenty accessory, when be follow that one corner, I make my eye be enter. No, no, say if eye too big, now dirty they enter. As I first open this one, I see dear Benny Omoido, we are happy to present to you this $2.6 billion. Imagination. Anyway, let's go into the unbossing and unbossable. My dear, that's so strong. Many of the review why they see, they know they go into details. If you guys can influence product, can you give it to Benny Omoido? Let me talk about it. Because this product is producting. Hi! It was heavy. Now really investment. And the woman talk about the comment section. Man, touching it alone, you said no say na something you carry for hand. You see this one, so why they feel say na one accessory, man, is more than one. Anyway, let's go deep down. It heavy, let's say the truth. It is not glass, but it heavy, it carry weight. The blades when follow a con na scissor blade, not be razor blade. When me fege like the one of yesterday, man, I still they carry am. I say see is believe you. When you want to buy good thing, I believe you. Nana, I believe you. See, this my follow and come. They no say baby girl dey on a weight loss journey. Just blend and peel. Just change the cover, put on for man. It here. You see, this very one, so they very strong. Stronger than the one of yesterday. I didn't have seen this product in someone's kitchen before, like feel am with my hand. I'm not going to even think twice. I for just go straight to Niger. Man, the Niger was Niger. I can't even lie you. Benny, why you shouting a fight? My sister in a fight. He reached to shout. The razor blade was very strong and very sharp at the same time. I know what I'm talking about because I touched the one of yesterday and I touched this one. The difference is very, very clear. I know what I'm saying. Okay, guys, for those of you that normally ask for the link, where is the link? I will leave the link under the comment section. Like always, check my first comment. The link is going to be under the comment section. I beg, before I go come cause me join and say, Benny, you not drop the link, This product now, I haven't even used it, but I'm not even talking about the cartons because I know it's already 100%. All this producer, if you guys want to invest in any business, invest in the good one. So that when we, the influencers, are talking about it, we'll talk about it very well. Because, no, to be frank, when I was watching it on YouTube, checking reviews, I never knew it was this solid. There's one woman that said under my comment section that I never regret investing in Niger. I was like, invest for blender. Oh boy, this is really investment. Like, your great-grandchildren will come and see this blender. It's very strong, very solid, heavy. The blades are so sharp. And this one not go blend egusi. I don't even need to test them. You go blend them. Anyways, guys, I must say this is the best. I haven't used it all. We're not even going to do review. Now, this is unboxing, but we don't need review. Because this product, me looking at it, look at the chopper. The processor is very heavy. The processor is very strong. I beg, man, not talk too much. Anyway, I will leave the link under the comment section. You guys can check it out in case you want to.